Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for another video. My name is Shantina. So today I'm going to be demonstrating to you the difference between the old school WetLine Extreme Gel and the newly formulated WetLine Extreme Gel.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
So for about a year now, I have been using this WetLine Extreme Gel. I love this gel. I have been using this gel, like I said, for about a year. I used to use Eco Styler gel, and my wash and goes just never turned out good. It was just flaky. It just wasn't mixing with the products that I would normally use. And then I came across this WetLine Extreme Gel and fell in love because it mixed with all of my hair milks and most of my lightweight conditioners. So I did take a whiff of it. This one is a little sweeter. They both smell like green apples, but this one smells a little bit like just sweeter. Yeah, this one is sweeter. So what I am going to do is, well, first of all, I've already washed, detangled, deep conditioned my hair. Now all I have to do is add my styling products to my hair and a little bit of oil. And I'm not sure which one I am going to use yet between the TGIN and the TGIN Sweet Honey Hair Milk. I did a video on that a couple of weeks ago. It's a wash and go video with that one, using the WetLine only with the old WetLine, not using the new formula. So not sure if I'm going to use this. This is a new product. It's not really new. It's been on the market, I think, for about a year. It is Acknowlage Naturals. She is a influencer here on YouTube. It's in a pump, so I'm thinking that it's pretty lightweight, so that's why I picked it up to try it for a wash and go. But I do not know how well this is going to actually mix with the WetLine. So let me just go ahead and do that test right now. The way to do the test is you take the styling product or the conditioner, whatever you're going to use as a base for your wash and go. Put a little of that in your hand. Oh wait, am I supposed to shake this up? Okay, so I'm going to spray. It's just a spray, and smells like lemon. So I am going to I got it on my hand here, you see it? And I am going to take a little bit of the WetLine, mix it together. If it mixes well and don't turn white, you may have a winner. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. That's nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put a whole lot, because I deep condition my hair pretty well, so it's not thirsty, because I really want this to turn out right so we can get the best results from both of these WetLine gels. I'm really hoping that the formula hadn't changed too much, because I bought two of these and I'm going to have to try to make it work. Alright, so I already have my hair sectioned off in 4 sections. I have my water here. I'm going to go ahead and use the Acknowlage Naturals. I also use the deep conditioner, and I will say I do like the way my hair feels. Alright, so I'm going to take about this much hair and go in with my trusty old WetLine. Just add that thing to it. I already know the formula for this. I already know how my hair is going to respond. What I don't know is how my hair is going to respond with this new product under there, but I'm just going to go for it. Alright, so far That looks good. I didn't even put a lot on there, and I didn't shingle. There are a few people online saying that the new formula is different and they can really tell the difference. And it wasn't necessarily like bad reviews, it was just you can definitely tell the difference. Look at that, I don't have to do much. Okay. And so when people say that it's different, but you can tell, I mean it's good, but you can tell the difference, it leads me to wonder what is the difference. So that's why I'm actually doing this video. So I have completed one side and it looks good. Let's get on to the other side. That looks good. So I am closing this one up. Putting that to the side. Opening this one. It says with aloe vera, just like the other one, alcohol free, just like the other one, fresh smell, no residue, just like the other one. Anyway, we are about to see what the improved fixation is. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and start back here. Oh, my hair is moisturized. It's probably that oil holding in that moisture. That's why I like to put oil right on top of the moisturizer that you're going to put up under your gel for your wash and go, because it just seals it in, and then when you put the gel on top of it, it really just locks in that moisture. Wet it just a little bit at the roots, because the roots was getting a little dry. First of all, it's warm. Like, I don't know why it's warm, but that might be something of, I don't know. Okay, so hold on. It feels thicker. It feels thicker. So let me go ahead and add this. So if it's thicker, maybe it's more moisturizing, even though gels don't have. Gels are not supposed to be moisturizing. Ooh. Ooh. That looks good. That feels good. Okay. I don't have to go back on that. Just lay those loops down. I can tell, maybe that's just my imagination. I feel like I want to say it's different, but I don't know. So let's just keep moving. A little water. Alright. So I like to put it on my thumb and my top fingers, because when I go in, I start at the root and I smash it through like that. And then I bring it down. And then I take my fingers and push it through. My fingers kind of gives like the starting of like clumping my hair. So it's still the same shiny, it's still giving my hair the same type of clumpness. My hair is still clumping the same way it would with the other with the old WetLine. I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and I think after it dries I will be able to tell if I will like the new formula over the old formula. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Let me finish this front section and I will be right back. I'm gonna speed it up and I'll be right back. Everything looks good. It feels good. This is definitely going to be a good wash and go, for sure. Now let's just see how it feels once it dries. If I can feel moisture, you know, if I can tell that my hair is still moisturized. Using the new WetLine. Alright, so I am about to go ahead and let this dry for a few hours, and I will be back with my final results and my final thoughts about this WetLine old school and WetLine new school. Alright, hello. So it is the next day and my hair is fully dried and I have stretched my hair. Everything looks good, the fullness, the body. Now let's talk about these results. All right, I don't see a difference. I really don't see a difference in the end result of my hair. My hair is full, it's shiny, it's not weighed down, and I had crunch on both sides, but after scrunching out the crunch and you know, doing everything that you do to get the crunch out your hair, this is what it turned out to be. It's not a difference. It's not a difference. I will be able to tell over a couple of days if the shine and the moisture still remains in my hair. I will be able to tell that in a few days to see if the original side gets drier quicker or if the new improved formula gets drier quicker. I will say that the new formula is much thicker in feel. It feels thicker and more moisturizing, to be honest with you. This one here, still bomb.com, but I will say that I did feel a difference in the texture. This one is a little lighter and a little bit more waterier, and this one is thicker and more moisturizing. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this at all. I love the way that it clumped my hair. It clumped my hair the same way, but I definitely like the thickness of it, and it didn't weigh my curls down. It did elongate my curls, but it didn't weigh it down. I can honestly say that I am 100% satisfied with both of these products. So I know when I finish this, I am just going to roll right on into this new WetLine formula with no issue. It worked really good with the cream or the leave-in that I did up under the wash and go. I feel 99.99% sure that my hair milks will work just as good. So it's 2 thumbs up. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm not mad at it at all. Some people had some issues with it, but most people liked it better than the old formula. And now that I've tried the new formula, I like the new formula better. Only because I can feel the thickness and I can feel that aloe vera the aloe vera froth in here. Even though you don't see the froth, but you definitely feel the froth. You feel the fluffiness of this gel. So yeah, you want to go out, get this gel. You can definitely find this gel in any of your beauty supply stores. You can find it in Target, Walmart, anywhere. Of course, you can find it on Amazon. That's where I got mine. The price is like $3.99. Same price as this for this big old tub. How much is this is in here? It's 35.28 ounces, and this one is 35.27 ounces. It's a little bit less in this, but the thickness of it, I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference. So I would leave where I got it from in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And you also want to turn on those notification buttons below also, so you will not miss any video that I put out going forward. And always remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, you guys have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.